Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to group. So for example, I will insert a furniture. I will insert here. And if you want to grouping these all objects, you can select, go to edit menu, click on groups, and then click groups. So the selected object will be grouping. You can click here to move. And if you want to ungroup, you can go back to edit menu, click groups, and then use ungroup. So that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to group.